Pamela Salzman. Welcome to my kitchen. In today's cooking class, we are going to be making the most amazing, divine date caramel sauce. You heard it. A caramel sauce that's based on dates. It's so good. So what you first want to do is get some really good dates. I like these medjool dates because they're nice and plump and moist, and they have this great caramel flavor to them. Open them up and pull out the pits if they're not already pitted. But the most important step in this recipe is to take your pitted dates and soak them in a cup of warm water for about 30 minutes. This will help plump them up and let them blend really, really easily into the food processor so that you won't have any chunks of date in your caramel sauce, and it will be a nice, smooth sauce. Okay, so once you have these sitting in here for 30 minutes, you can take them out, but save that reserved liquid because it has a lot of sweetness to it from the dates, and we're gonna add that to our food processor as well. Now, put everything into the food processor, your softened dates, and then we're gonna add in some melted coconut oil. We're gonna add in a little bit of maple syrup. I like to add some brown rice syrup too. In addition to the maple, I like to have both so it's not so one note. But brown rice syrup is very easy to find online or at Whole Foods, and it just also has this nice caramelness about it as well. I'm gonna add some almond butter, but you can add whatever nut butter you want. Almond is just really neutral. If you have it, and don't worry if you don't, we're gonna add in some lucuma powder, which has some caramel undertones to it. And let's not forget our vanilla and salt. That's it. We're just gonna press on and let the food processor do all the work. Okay, great. I think we're done. If you need to, you can always scrape the sides of your food processor, but look how creamy and silky this is. This is so divine, and it's just awesome on a sundae or just a little bit on top of some banana if you just want a little treat. I keep mine in the fridge for about 2 weeks, and it does firm up in the fridge, but you can always re-warm it, and it is really a much healthier option than store-bought caramel sauce, and I promise you are gonna love it just as much. If you enjoyed this recipe, you'll love all the recipes on my site, so go head over there for more tricks and tips and healthy food, PamelaSalzman.com, and obviously leave me some comments below if you need some substitution advice, but I hope to see you next week back in my kitchen.